So this will be a quick unboxing and a look at the case for not released yet iPhone 17 Pro. So this is the BENKS ArmorAir Pro, I think, case, or just ArmorAir. So anyway, let's get into this. Now, I'm pointing out that this is specifically ArmorAir because there's also a Air Pro or Air Pro version of this. So that one apparently has full coverage, whatever that is. I'm gonna make a separate video comparing these two cases as well, as I do have it right here. And in general, the box looks identical. The only difference is you have this little thing right here. So I'll take a look at that later on in a separate video. But taking a look at the case itself, actually, there we go. So this is carbon fiber that has our, I believe this is MagSafe right here, embedded into this. We have the metal ring around here. It's pretty nice. When you have your phone on, it's gonna obviously protect the lenses when you place it on the table. The case itself is super thin, very sturdy, obviously a carbon fiber, so it would make sense that it's sturdy, and it's really nice. Now, one thing that I want to point out is, which I can't really check, carbon fiber has I guess we can call it attribute of blocking cell signal. There is different types of it. There's ones that don't really do that, so I'm kind of curious if this is gonna give any kind of reduction in cell quality or not. But like I said, iPhones aren't released yet. There's still like 2 more days till that, so we'll have to wait and see for that one. But I always liked the carbon fiber look and feel, and yeah, I do like how this looks. I would probably like to see it more with the phone inside, but in general it does feel kind of cool in hand. It's obviously super light, like this is insanely light, and even with the, I presume this is aluminum around here, so even with that it's still like insanely light. But anyway, that's about it. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.